Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Kirim email. Here I'm going to set up a Kirim email account. So as you can see, I'm on the setup screen. You can select the language that you want over here, or you can get started by answering few questions before your account is created. So what is your business category? I'm going to go with education, business website. I'm going to go with my website. How are you planning to use Kirim email to set up forms on my website and email my subscriber list for educational purposes? Do you have an email database? Yes. Where did you get your email database? So opt-in list on my website. So website URL that contains this email database is optional, but it's preferred that you add it in. And if you have never used any email marketing service, please click below. So this is up to you entirely. I'm ready for verification. Submit my answers. Just make sure that once you submit, so here this usually takes around 1 business day after your account is set up. You can't send the email, but you can set up your account by creating a new list, importing contacts, creating forms and landing pages. So set up my account. So here I'm going to give my business name. You can also add a tagline, your doorway to digital marketing. Address, you can write something like India. Just going to go with full name. Send activation code. So here you will be sent an activation code which you will have to check your email. Right now the activation code has been sent, so you'll have to check it out. And then confirm in the just click on the email. I'm just waiting for the email to come through. I'm just going to click on verify my email. So congratulations, you have completed the initial steps. I'm going to click on get started. So as you can see, your account is under review, and here is the dashboard which you will see. To get started, you can see that I have completed just 25% of the steps. So I've added my contact information, add and verify your email sender, but then create your email list, import your email contacts, send your first email, landing page, and more. So this is a account which is under review and has certain restrictions, which is why I'm not able to show you all the features. I'll be taking you in the next video to a paid account of mine which has all of these enabled, and I will show you in detail. And coming down further, you will see tutorials and store. If I click on tutorials, a new tab will open up, and you will see the get started over here with the articles membership page. It has some articles applications page. So here if you click on start here, then it will take you on a kind of an onboarding process wherein you can see getting to know the main pages, how to log in, how to fill the data, how to create a form, and it will walk you through the steps that you can take to create all of these, right? So you can walk through these resources for you to understand how you can set up a lead magnet, the fields which I just showed you now, all the drop downs. And you also have the store. The store contains all the resources that are there in Kirim email. You can see you can add additional 10 team members. You can how to add additional 10 email senders, Shutterstock pictures. They have some great templates as well, so you can purchase, or some of them are free. You can use these for your emails. So do you have multiple business team members? Click on the buy now button. So this will cost you $39. So you will find all of these over here. So I just made a quick video to show you how to get set up with the with Kirim email. Of course, all of these features are pretty limited over here. In the next video and in the coming videos, I'll be walking you through these features so that you understand better. Thank you, and see you in the next video.